Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vanila, and in this video you're going to see how I wear socks. These are my woolly socks with little decoration, little pattern here with diamonds. They are quite warm, they are made of wool, and I've got nice nail varnish on my toes. And because many of you have been asking to do more videos about wearing socks, in the next video I'm going to make 2 different socks, because that was my special request from somebody who is my fan, so I'm going to do that in my next videos for you. And in this video I'm going to show you how I wear these woolly socks. These are my favorite socks. They are soft, they are cozy, they are stunning, they are soft to wear, they are warm, and when I wear them in these slippers, in these fur slippers, I feel very warm, very well cared, and very warm. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to watch my other videos too. There is more to come and surprise you.